Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak With Us. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. We're happy you're here to practice English with us.
I need to open a bank account today. Let's go inside. Excuse me. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to First National Bank. How may I help you today?
I'd like to open a bank account.
Certainly. I'd be happy to help you. Is this your first account with our bank?
Yes, this is my first time opening an account here.
Great. May I see your ID, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Everything looks good. Do you also have proof of your address?
Yes, I brought a recent utility bill.
Perfect. That's exactly what we need.
What kind of bank accounts do you offer?
We have checking accounts and savings accounts. A checking account is great for everyday spending. A savings account helps you save money over time.
I'd like an account that I can use every day.
Then a checking account would be the best choice.
Is there a monthly fee?
There is no monthly fee if you keep the required minimum balance.
That's good to know. How long does it take to open the account?
Only about 10 minutes. I'll prepare the application for you.
Wonderful. Thank you for your help.
It's my pleasure. While I prepare your account, I'd like to ask you a few questions.
Sure, go ahead.
First, may I have your full name, please?
My name is Emma Wilson.
Thank you, Emma. Could you also tell me your date of birth?
It's May 15th, 1998.
Perfect. And what's your current phone number?
It's 555-248-9136.
Thank you. We'll use this number to contact you if needed.
Will I receive a debit card with this account?
Yes, every checking account includes a free debit card. You should receive it within 7 to 10 business days.
Interesting. Can I use the card for online shopping?
Absolutely. You can use it for online purchases, stores, restaurants, and ATMs.
Is online banking available too?
Yes, you can check your balance, transfer money, and pay bills using our mobile app.
That sounds very convenient. Is the mobile app free?
Yes, it's completely free for all our customers.
That's great. I'd like to use online banking.
No problem. I'll register your online banking today. You'll receive an email with simple activation instructions.
What if I forget my password?
You can easily reset it online, or you can visit any of our branches for assistance.
That's good to know. I was a little worried about that.
Don't worry, we make the process simple and secure.
Interesting. I'd also like to deposit some money into my new account.
Certainly. How much would you like to deposit today?
I'd like to deposit $500.
Perfect. I'll process your deposit along with your new account application.
Happy. Thank you. I really appreciate your help.
You're very welcome. Everything is going smoothly.
Your account has been created successfully. Congratulations.
That's great news. Thank you. What should I do next?
I'll print your account information for you. You'll also receive a welcome email later today.
Interesting. When can I start using my account?
Immediately. Your account is active now.
Curious. Can I withdraw money today?
Yes, you can. You can withdraw money from any of our ATMs or visit a bank teller.
Is there a daily withdrawal limit?
Yes. Your debit card allows you to withdraw up to $1,000 per day.
That's more than enough for me.
I'm glad to hear that. Do you travel often?
Yes, I travel a few times every year.
In that case, please let us know before you travel abroad. It helps us protect your account from unusual activity.
That's a good idea. How can I notify the bank?
You can call us, visit a branch, or send a travel notice through our mobile app.
That sounds very easy. I also have another question.
Of course. Please go ahead.
What should I do if I lose my debit card?
Contact us immediately. We'll block your card to keep your account safe. Then we'll issue a replacement card.
That's reassuring. How long does it take to receive a new card?
Usually between 5 and 7 business days. In some locations, you can even receive one on the same day.
That's excellent customer service.
We always do our best to help our customers.
I'd also like to order a checkbook.
Certainly. I can add that to your account right now.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Certainly. Your checkbook request has been submitted. It will be delivered to your mailing address within 5 to 7 business days.
That's perfect. Thank you. Is there anything else I should know about my new account?
Yes, I recommend setting up account alerts. You'll receive notifications whenever money is deposited or withdrawn.
That sounds useful. Can I choose which alerts I receive?
Absolutely. You can customize them anytime through our mobile app.
What if I need help after the bank is closed?
Our customer support is available 24 hours a day. You can also use our website or mobile app for many banking services.
That's really convenient. I feel much more confident now.
I'm glad to hear that. Our goal is to make banking simple and stress-free.
Before I leave, I'd like to deposit one more check.
Certainly. Please sign the back of the check. I'll process it for you.
Here you go.
Thank you. Everything looks good. The money will be available in your account within 1 business day.
Excellent. Thank you for explaining everything so clearly.
You're very welcome. It was a pleasure helping you today.
I really appreciate your kindness. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day. We look forward to seeing you again.
Before we finish, let's quickly review today's useful expressions. I'd like to open a bank account.
May I see your ID, please?
I'd like to deposit some money.
Will I receive a debit card?
Can I use online banking?
What should I do if I lose my debit card?
I'd like to order a checkbook.
Can I pay by card?
Excellent work! These are real English expressions you'll hear in banks every day.
Practice them regularly. The more you speak English, the more natural and confident you'll become.
Warm thanks for learning with us today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to Speak With Us, and share it with someone who wants to improve their English.
We'll see you in our next real-life English conversation. Goodbye and take care.